Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, you are welcome to the online classroom of DCB ADN. I am Sardar Ahmed, Assistant Teacher in English, Dhaka Canton Board, Adarsh Vidyaniketan. This presentation is for class 9 and 10. Two kingfishers is quarreling. What is the wrong in the sentence? Is. Two kingfishers are quarreling. Right form are. The students are receiving the result cards. What is the right form of the verb? Is receiving. So, our today's lesson is right form of verbs. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to select verb for the gap, identify the position of S or es, identify the subject and verb agreement, apply the right form of verbs. At the time of filling in the gap with right form of verb, a student is to perform two functions at a time. Number 1, selecting appropriate verb for the gap. Number 2, writing the correct form of verb according to the context. To do the work easily, students should read the passage time and again before filling the gap to select appropriate verb for each gap. The cat likes milk. The cat is third person singular number. So, S has been added to the verb. The cat catches rats. Here, the cat third person singular number. Es has been added to the verb. If the subject is third person singular number, in present tense, es or es is added with the verb. Position of s or es: do plus es, does; push plus es, pushes; express plus es, expresses; catch plus es, catches. Here O, last letter sh, last letters ss, and last letters ch. If there is O, S, sh, ch at the last of the word, es is to be added with the verb in the present tense in case of third person singular numbers. S is used in another places. How beautiful the scenery is. If the subject is third person singular number, verb will also be singular. Here subject, the scenery is singular form, so verb is singular form. There are two parrots in the whole of the tree. If the subject is plural, verb will also be plural. Here subject, two parrots. These are plural, so verb are plural. Now, dear students, fill in the blank with the right use of s or es with the verbs in the box below. There are 6 verbs: pass, do, go, push, like, teach. Try to fill in the gaps using this verb. I think you have done. Now we are going to check number A. Messi is a world famous football player. He dashes to the playground regularly. He goes to the playground regularly. Before going to the playground, he does all related activities. He does all relative activities. Here subject third person, so verb with yes. He has a special technique to score goal. If one dash the ball to him, if one passes. Subject 1 singular, so yes has been added to the verb. He dashes the ball into the goal. He pushes. Push plus yes, pushes. He pushes the ball into the goal post with a very exciting technique. He dashes his friends how to score goals. He teaches his friends how to score goals. Teach plus es teaches, last letters ch. So es has been added with the verb. Everyone dash his technique very much. Everyone likes his technique very much. Here subject is singular form, so s has been added with the verb. Is it clear to you? Okay, thank you. Now, dear students, look at the picture. Now you have to do your classwork. Find out appropriate verb to fill in the blanks from the box and apply the right forms according to the context. This is your classwork. I have given you 5 minutes time for doing this classwork. Within 5 minutes you have to finish your classwork. Have you finished? Okay. Now we are going to check your answers. Number A, dolphin dash in the picture. Dolphin jumps in the picture. Here dolphin third person singular number, so s has been added with verb. A man dash the show. A man conducts the show. A man third person singular number, so s has been added with the verb conducts. Dolphins are very expert in playing games. Dolphins here plural, subject, so verb be plural form are is used here. It dash us pleasure. It gives us pleasure. Subject is singular, that's why s has been added with the verb. Here verb give, correct form gives. Then everybody enjoys it very much. Everybody is singular, so s has been added with the verb enjoy. Enjoy, correct form enjoys. Is it clear to you? Now, dear students, this is your homework. You must do your homework. Allah Hafiz.